Hey guys, this is Matt here from Modern Automotive Performance. I'm here to talk to you today about the first product release we have for the new Civic Si. If you haven't seen our introduction video, please feel free to go to our channel and watch that. We actually talked a little bit about everything we do when we get a new vehicle, everything from the baseline to the tunings, to the race engines and cylinder heads, and kind of what's involved on developing a product. What I'm here to talk to you guys about today is actually going to be our Stage 1 tune offering for this vehicle. We're going to go a little bit in detail about what's involved there and the different kind of things you can expect to see from that. So we will be offering Hondata and KTuner support, as mentioned earlier, for this vehicle. One of the cool things about that is when you do buy the product through us, you actually will get the tune free of charge. As you guys can see here on the screen, you actually will see obviously an improvement in horsepower and torque numbers, as well as obviously just the increase in drivability of the vehicle itself. One of the things that makes this vehicle so different about the other vehicles that we have offerings for, if you're familiar with our WRX tune, for example, we do have a dedicated 91 octane and 93 octane tune. This ECU in this vehicle actually is smart enough to compensate for the difference in octane ratings between 91 and 93. So it is just going to be a one tune offering, and the ECU actually differentiate between the two and compensate accordingly. One of the things that we get asked fairly commonly actually is there anything that you need for the Stage 1 tune? The answer to that is no. The Stage 1 tune was designed specifically for bone stock vehicles with absolutely no kind of modification done to them. With that being said, this is an off-the-shelf map, so that means for you is it doesn't require you guys to do any kind of data logging, no constant back and forth like you would on an e-tune. It's designed to flash straight out of the box, get it flashed on the vehicle, and you're set to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, this is Matt here at Modern Automotive Performance. If you guys do have any questions on the Stage 1 tune or any other products, feel free to reach out to us here. Otherwise, you can get a hold of me on the Civic X forum as well as the 10th Gen Facebook groups. And stay tuned for our next 2017 Civic Si video. Our 2017 Civic Si 1.5T Orchid Pearl White video.